Hey guys, let's go ahead and see how to shuffle an array in Xcode Shift. Alright, firstly we need to create an array. Let's say ARR names. I will set this equals to, here I will put John and something like Adam, Michael, Sean, Nike. Alright, to shuffle this we can go ahead and call for variable name of the array and then shuffled method. Right, now using this it will change the order of array randomly. You can see Michael came into the first index of this array and Nike came into the as it is position, and John come into the shown place and shown in the middle. Alright, that's about string arrays. How we can shuffle integer arrays. Similarly we can go ahead and do, let's say let ARR num, I will set this equals to some random numbers like this. Right, to shuffle this we can say print ARR num. Now actually you don't have to use print statement. I am doing this for to show you what is the output is. You only have to do just calling for this shuffled method. The thing is actually this shuffle method will not change the it is order, instead it will create a new instance of it. For example, if we just shuffle here, you can see it will produce this output. But if we going to print the array again, you can see order is not changed because this is a immutable variable. We have to change this into a var, then it will be a mutable variable, a mutable array. If we set ARR num is equals to ARR num dot shuffled, then we can print the ARR num again. Here all values will be changed.